Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Princess Kitchen. I hope you guys are doing great. Today we are making pasta braised rice with some egg stew and salad. Don't skip the video. I know you're gonna love this, and these are the ingredients I'm gonna use. I have with me here anise seed and rosemary. I've blended the two of them together. I have grated nutmeg. I have some paprika, curry powder, my corned beef, some fried fish, powdered pepper, garlic, onion, some sunflower oil. I have my rice, I have my pasta, and this is my cooked tomatoes. This is a leftover one that I used the other day, so that's the one I'm gonna use today. And I have my eggs here. I know you're gonna love this at the end of the video. Make sure you don't skip the video, okay? So let's get started. Now I will start by adding a little bit of oil to my saucepan. Yes, I'm gonna fry my pasta in it for about 5 minutes on medium heat. Now after adding the pasta, you have to continuously stir this. Don't leave it. We don't want it to burn, but we just want it to turn brown like wheat pasta or wheat spaghetti. That's the color that we want. Exactly like this. So don't burn yours. If you want to do this recipe, don't burn yours, okay? Now I added the rice and I'm gonna give it a quick stir in the oil for about, let's say, 30 seconds or 1 minute. And I'm gonna add my water to it. Now, if you want your rice to be stretchy, then after adding the water like this, you have to let it steam or cook for about 5 minutes while you continuously to stir before you add all the water that you want to use to cook the rice to it. Now I've tasted the rice, the salt and everything is perfect, so I'll cover and then I will go ahead and start my stew. So I'm going to use the rest of the oil to make my stew. So I'm going to add the diced garlic that I had earlier to the oil, and I'm going to let this fry for about 5 minutes on medium heat. After 5 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and add my onion, which I'm going to fry for about 3 minutes. I don't want it to burn, so I'm going to let it be in the oil for about 3 minutes on medium heat, because you don't want your stew to burn, so don't make your heat too high. Just make it medium so that the food will take its time to cook and the taste and flavors will come out nicely for you. So on the other side, I will stir my rice, and then after stirring, I will just cover and let it continue to cook. Now I'm going to add my tomatoes, the fresh tomatoes that I cooked, the one that I kept in the freezer. I added that, and I added a little bit of powdered pepper to it because the cooked tomatoes, because I previously used it for a stew, it has some spice in it, it has some pepper in it, so I didn't want it to be too spicy. Yes, I love spicy food, but not to that extreme. So I added a little bit of powdered pepper to it. Guys, kindly try this recipe. You're gonna love it. You're gonna love it. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do so. If you are following me on Facebook, thank you. And kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now I added the corned beef to it. Please, ladies, make sure you add all the corned beef. Don't stay in your kitchen and eat all the corned beef. No. Add everything to it because we want the stew to taste good. So I'm going to leave it for a while, and then I will check on my rice again. And make sure you try some of the rice to see if it's cooking nicely for you. If it turns out to be too hard, you can go ahead and add some warm water. You sprinkle some water on it, and then you just cover, and the vapor will steam the rice and everything, and it's going to come out nicely for you. And make sure you keep an eye on your stew as well. You don't want your stew to burn, so you keep an eye on it as well. Now, after checking my rice, I came back to give my stew some stir, because this saucepan, if you leave it, it's gonna burn. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my spice to it, all the spice, the paprika, nutmeg, my curry powder, and anise seeded rosemary. Yes, I added some of it, and now I went ahead to add all the tomatoes to it, because the corned beef was sticking over the tomatoes, so I had to add the rest of it to it. Now you see how the stew is looking? You have to smell this delicious stew, guys. The flavors are awesome. Now I'm gonna add my fried fish. I've taken all the bones from it. Please, if you have a child at home, make sure you take all the bones from it. You want to eat your lunch in a peaceful way. Okay, you don't want your child to be choked, so make sure you take all the bones from it. And now, after leaving it for about 5 minutes, I went ahead and I added my eggs to it. Now, after adding the eggs, I'm just gonna give it a light stir, and I will cover and let it steam, the heat steam the eggs for about 20 minutes before I will check it again. Make sure you put your heat on low. You don't want the stew to burn. Now this is after 20 minutes, and I'm going to give it a stir again. Now you can see the eggs are stuck at the bottom of the saucepan, so I'm just using the spatula to bring them out nicely. And see how beautiful the stew is looking, guys. It tastes so good. The salt, the corned beef, you can taste all the flavors in the food. So after stirring like this, I'm just gonna go ahead and cover again and let it steam more for about, let's say, 5 minutes, and it will be ready to dish out. Yes, and our lunch will be ready. Now I'm gonna dish out, so let's do this. Yes, now it's ready. Are you ready for some lunch? Are you ready? Now bring all your plates, your forks, your knives, and let's do this together. Okay, now I have alongside some salad. This is mixed vegetables. I'll bring you the video very soon of how to make that salad. It's very simple. This is creamy and delicious. Trust me, you're gonna love this. Let me pull that aside because I'm ready to serve myself. I wish you guys can taste this. I wish you guys can taste this. Well, you can't taste it for now, so you kindly do this recipe. It's very simple and easy to do, and you're gonna enjoy this, guys. We've come to the end of the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching Princess Shrey's Kitchen. Guys, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to click on the notification bell so that you can get all the new videos from Princess Kitchen. If you are watching me from Facebook, I want to thank you. And if you are watching me from YouTube, I want to thank you. All my followers on Instagram, thank you. God bless you. Stay safe, be kind, love, and forgive.